do not write in a simple language. They uses various means, a different type of language, various devices which we call literary devices to make their language very effective, very powerful and very beautiful. And Donne has also used many literary devices in his poem. The first device he has used in his poem is personification. Personification means that we have given human features or human feelings to a thing that is non-living, that is not alive, and we have made it appear or look like a human being. In this poem, students, he has made death as a human being. He has treated death as a human being. He has given death a quality of a human being. And he shows that death has many feelings, many emotions. Like a human being, like a person, he thinks himself very powerful and very arrogant. In the same manner, death also feels itself very powerful, very arrogant. And it also thinks that it can destroy anything. So like a human being, it has shown the emotions of power, arrogance in death. Second literary device he has used is metaphor. There are 3 metaphors which are used in this poem, that he has compared death to various things. Like he has compared it to a person, to a man who is very proud. Somewhere he has compared death to a slave, and somewhere he says that death is not very powerful. He says that death is unrealistic object. It is, according to the poet, it has no existence. So he has compared to various things death. The other device he has used is alliteration. It means that he is repeating the consonants. Like when we read the poem, and better than thy stroke, why swellest thou then? In these lines, he has repeated the consonant, th consonant is repeated many times. Then he has used the device metonymy. It means that students, when we try to describe something which are very closely related with each other, which are closely connected with each other, like poppy and charm, these are used because these are devices which are used to produce sleep, because the toxication of poppy makes you sleep. And in the same manner, he says that death is also like a sleep. The other device he has used is assonance. It means that there is a repetition of vowels. There are 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O, U. And here he has used, thou art slave of fate, chance, kings and desperate men. In these lines he has used the vowel E, which is repeated many times. Then he has used irony. It means that what you say, it means opposite of what you are saying. What you want to say, and the meaning is opposite. Like he says that in the end, he says that death you will yourself die. Although you say that you are very powerful, you can kill anything, but here you will yourself die and you have no power. So in this manner, he has used many devices to make his poem very clear, which has a very powerful impact, and he has present a death in a very powerful manner. And also he has pulled, he has made fun of death, which claims itself to be very powerful. Then students